Let's check our YouTube channel. See what's up. Whoa! Exciting news. We have 99 subscribers. We just need one more to hit 100, and then we can celebrate. Let's see. How do we get 100 subscribers? I think we just got 100. Whoa, cool. Let me refresh. 99? I'm pretty sure I saw 100. Let me refresh again. 100! 99? What's going on? Are you doing it? Today's video is sponsored by Shimono. Shimono is a trusted brand for your daily vacuum needs. All vacuums have a built-in HEPA filtration system to trap harmful particles and stainless steel filter that you can easily wash and reuse. Shimono uses a patented L-shaped pro-cyclone technology that maximizes consistent suction power when used at any angle. They also come with multiple attachments to get those difficult areas or corners. You can get your Shimono today by using the link below in the description. Shimono, enjoy a better life. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of XKUBE Connects. My name is George and this is Mr. Oni. Today, we are announcing that we recently just hit 100 subscribers. Yay! And with that being said, this new milestone, we are going to announce another giveaway. Today, we are giving away a bag, apparently. No, that's not what we're giving away. No, that's no, and no. That's not what we're giving away. What in the world is that? Okay, that's not what we're giving away. However, email us at giveaway@xkube.ca, the email that's listed below. 3 guesses per email address. Each guess you have, you'll be entered to win an XKUBE hoodie. And for the first person that guesses this correctly, you will get this, whatever he is holding in his hands, along with his autograph. Sound good? Now, on to the actual giveaway prize. Today, we're giving away a Shimono Handheld Cordless vacuum. It's perfect for home use. It's got multiple attachments that you can use, and you can also use it for your car. All you have to do is click on the link below, follow the instructions on the page. The more actions you perform, the more entries you'll receive in the contest. The contest starts now and ends at midnight on January the 29th, 2021. The draw and the announcement will be made on February the 5th, 2021. The contest is currently only available to people who reside in Canada. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and that big red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get the notification for the next video that's released. Until the next review, please stay safe.